My name is Andrew Black, and this is my demonstration speech. This is my audience. By this point in your life, you have definitely been to some sort of event or a party where there's been PA reinforcement. Unfortunately, sometimes this PA reinforcement doesn't sound that great. It's not taken care of, it's just a little lackluster. So today, I'm going to show you how to properly set up and efficiently set up a professional sound system. To start off with my credibility, I've been doing live sound since high school, and I've been working professionally for multiple audio companies for almost 2 years now. Now let's begin with what a PA system is and what its components are. PA stands for Public Address, which dates back to 1910 when the Automatic Electric Company developed a loudspeaker used in baseball stadiums, according to the Channel Audio Group. The basic components are a microphone cable, some sort of audio mixing device, and a loudspeaker with an amplifier externally or internally in the loudspeaker. In these, you have transducers, which are devices that take acoustic signals and turn them to electric signals or vice versa. A microphone takes acoustic signals and converts them to electricity, and the speaker does the opposite. Now let's get hands-on and use these components to actually set up a professional sound system. So the signal flow goes as follows. You have your microphone. You take that microphone and plug in the XLR cable into the bottom of it. Then, you'll take that cable and plug it into your audio mixing device. At this point, you will turn on your speaker and turn up the volume on that speaker. If you do this beforehand, it's unsafe and it can create pops in your speakers as you're already introducing a loud volume source to your speaker as it's turned on. This can be dangerous for your audience and for the speakers itself. Now, let's make the system sound good. So, we have this microphone hooked up. We'll go in. We're going to turn up our levels on our mixing device. Check, check, check. And see if the microphone is on. So now we know that we did that part correctly. After this, we're going to use reference materials to make sure our speakers are sounding good. It's good to use tracks that you're very familiar with and you know that are recorded well. So for example, a good song that I use is actually a Bruno Mars song.
Don't we look good together? There's a ring.
All you're doing to check there is making sure that you have a very even frequency response, from your lowest frequencies to your mid frequencies and your high frequencies. A very dependent factor on this, according to the Pro Audiophiles, is your room. For example, the room that we're in is a very square room, so you're going to get built up in the corners of the room in your low end. Something from like an arena is designed to sound good for loud systems, so it's going to sound better with some sort of speakers like this. Okay. In conclusion, you don't have to be an audio professional to make a PA system sound great. With a little bit of work, you can make systems, you can EQ them and do different things to make them sound really good. And also, with that being said as well, it's not necessarily that difficult. Just take your time and just kind of focus on the little details like your signal flow, backtrack everything, make sure everything's connected if something doesn't work. Finally, remember that louder isn't better. Hearing protection is a very serious thing, and you need to take very serious care of your ears. And that being said, just turning things up, sometimes it'll give you more bass, but it's not the healthiest thing to do.